Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Rolla in Archero 2. Rolla is one of the newest characters in Archero 2, and the best part is she's completely free to unlock. To get her, head over to the Level Rush Rewards event, which you'll find at the top left of your screen, right under the Funds tab. There, under Old Friends United, Roll Up becomes available once you reach level 30. At that point, you'll earn 50 fragments, which is just enough to unlock and start playing her right away. Now, if you're curious about storing up, don't worry. Her fragments should reappear in the future events where you can trade special event currency for epic fragments, including hers. So keep progressing, check those events often, and you'll be able to strengthen Rolla over time. That's how you can unlock and maximize this exciting new hero and Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.